Hey guys, this is a hands-on review of Xiaomi Mi 6X. The Mi 6X comes with some improvements, like trendy full-screen design, and dual rear cameras. Also, the Mi 6X is the cheapest smartphone, with Snapdragon 660 chipset. The Mi 6X feature a 5.99-inch, Full HD Plus display. The metal-bodied Xiaomi Mi 6X has a curved rear panel. It has been carved using CNC technology. In order to make it available in an ultra-thin body that has a thickness of 7.3 mm, Xiaomi had taxed the 3.5 mm audio jack feature. The handset can be availed in multiple colors, like cherry pink, red flame, glacier blue, quicksand gold, and black stone. The backside of the phone features U-shaped antenna lines on the top and bottom edges like the predecessor Xiaomi Mi 5X. The vertical dual camera setup and fingerprint reader reside on the rear of the phone. The top side of the Mi 6X features an IR blaster, while the bottom side has a USB-C port that separates the two external speakers. The dual camera setup present on the back panel of the Mi 6X. It includes a 12-megapixel primary sensor and a secondary 20-megapixel sensor that features an f1.75 aperture with a pixel size of 2 micron. The secondary sensor is a telephoto lens that offers 2x less zoom. The dual cameras have been optimized to enhance the sharpness of the portrait shots by automatically switching to 12-megapixel camera as the main sensor during the daytime, and at night, it makes use of the 20-megapixel camera as the main sensor to capture images with more light. With AI on board, the dual rear cameras can recognize up to 206 kinds of scene with different optimizations to snap richer photos. For shooting selfies, it features 20-megapixel front camera. It is equipped with a soft light LED flash. As for the performance, the Mi 6X has Snapdragon 660 processor that features an artificial intelligence engine. The Mi 6X comes with 4 GB of RAM and 6 GB of RAM. Its 128 GB model has 6 GB of RAM. The Mi 6X is packed with 3010 mAh battery that support Quick Charge 3.0 fast charging. By charging it for only 30 minutes, the phone can gain 50% power. It is also equipped with AI smart powering function. The Android 8.1 Aria is pre-installed on the phone, and it is overlaid with MIUI 9.5, which brings support for full-screen gestures. Also, it comes with Xiaomi AI voice assistant that was introduced with Mi Mix 2S in the previous month. Most of the Snapdragon 660 smartphones available in the market are priced around $475, but the highest configuration 128 GB Xiaomi Mi 6X variant that has 6 GB of RAM carries a price tag of $316 only. The 64 GB Mi 6X models with 4 GB of RAM and 6 GB of RAM are respectively priced at $253 and $285.